Man, what's going on, man? I hope everybody having a great and productive day, man. I know a lot of people off for the holiday. Not even really a holiday. It's just one of the former presidents passed away, right? So a lot of stuff, a lot of 9 to 5s, a lot of businesses around the United States are closed due to that fact, right? So the question I was asked was this: All right, what do you do when the stock market is closed? What do you do to prepare for the next day? Well, one, I read all the articles that I haven't read on certain websites that I use. One website being CNBC, right? So I'm not gonna give y'all all of my websites, but one website that I use a lot is CNBC, right? I use the app and I use CNBC for live TV, right? So that's one thing I do. The second thing I do is this: I read over my investing books. So for an hour throughout the day, when the stock market is closed, even when the stock market open, but I'm just sharing this information with y'all, right? So for an hour throughout each day, but definitely when the stock market is closed, I read an hour from my investing books. Uh, I don't know if I want to share the book with y'all, man. I don't know if I want to share this book, and I ain't even trying to gatekeep. I just don't know if I want to share that book. It's a great book, but yeah. So I read an hour throughout the day when the stock market is closed. So the third and final thing I do is this: I look back over the company's prices that I've been tracking. Right, so I track 94 companies, and what I track is the RSI, which is the relative strength index, and it tells you if a company is oversold or overbought, right? So if it's oversold, that's an opportunity for you to go buy shares of that company. But if it's overbought, that means, hey, I'm gonna wait till they start to sell, take profit, and then I'll work my way into that position. So I track that because that gives me an opportunity to know when, you know, is a perfect time for me to enter that position for my community, man. So those are the three things I do when the stock market is closed, man. If you got anything you want to say about this, comment on it, like it. Also share this video. And if you've seen this on YouTube, please press that subscribe button, man. Y'all have a great and prosperous day. And I'll be back with y'all next time.